That warm, slightly spicy root sitting in your kitchen has been used for thousands of years. In Indian cooking, in traditional Chinese medicine, and in kitchens around the world. But what actually happens inside your body when ginger becomes part of your daily routine? Ginger's distinctive flavor comes from a compound called gingerol, which has been studied for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Beyond flavor, ginger may support several everyday functions in the body. Here are some of the most well-supported practical benefits of making ginger a regular habit, and a few important things to keep in mind. First, it may help ease occasional nausea and support digestion. Ginger has traditionally been used to help settle the stomach, and some research suggests it may help stimulate digestive juices and gently relax the digestive tract. A simple way to try it: steep about 1 teaspoon of grated fresh ginger in a cup of hot water for around 10 minutes to make a warm tea. Many people find this soothing for mild, everyday queasiness, like motion sickness on a road trip or a bumpy flight. If nausea is severe, persistent, or unexplained, it's best to check with your doctor rather than relying on home remedies alone.
Second, it may offer some support to your immune system. Ginger contains compounds that have been studied for their potential role in supporting immune cell activity and circulation. While it's not a substitute for vaccines, sleep, or a balanced diet, including ginger regularly may be a small, supportive habit alongside the basics that matter most for immune health.
Third, it may help support comfort in achy joints and muscles. Ginger has been studied for its anti-inflammatory properties, and some people find it helpful as part of a routine for everyday stiffness or mild discomfort. For example, added to meals or brewed as tea after a workout, a long walk, or a day working in the garden. This isn't a replacement for medical treatment of ongoing joint pain, but it may be a gentle, food-based addition worth trying. Fourth, it may support already healthy blood sugar levels. Some research has looked at ginger's role in supporting insulin sensitivity and more stable blood sugar after meals. The results are promising, but still developing, so ginger should be seen as a possible supportive habit, not a treatment for diabetes. If you're managing blood sugar with medication, it's especially important to talk with your doctor before making significant dietary changes, since ginger may interact with certain medications.
And fifth, it may help ease occasional indigestion. Ginger's anti-inflammatory compounds may help settle mild bloating or discomfort after meals. A cup of ginger tea after a big holiday dinner or a rich Sunday meal is a simple, low-risk way to try this. As with any of these habits, if digestive discomfort is frequent or severe, that's worth bringing up with a healthcare provider rather than managing on your own. A few important things to keep in mind. Ginger is generally well tolerated in normal food amounts, but it may interact with blood thinners, diabetes medications, and certain heart medications. It may also worsen symptoms for people with gallstones. If you take prescription medication, or if you have a bleeding disorder or diabetes, it's best to check with your doctor before adding concentrated ginger supplements to your routine. Some mild side effects, like bloating or heartburn, can occur in people who are sensitive to it. Ginger isn't a cure for any condition, but as a simple, flavorful addition to meals or tea, it may offer some gentle, supportive benefits as part of an overall healthy routine. If this was helpful, like and subscribe to Senior Health Tips for more simple, evidence-based health information. And if you want to learn about another common concern after 50, watch our video, 10 Signs Your Body Needs More Magnesium. We link it right here. Click directly on it.